we have a question here. Doctor, I am 15 years old. Can I use family planning? Whoa. 15 years old, you should be concentrating on your studies and not family planning. But to answer this question, I am going to start by asking two questions. The first one is, are you menstruating? And the second question is, are you having sex? If yes, if you're menstruating and you're having sex, yes, you can use family planning. Family planning is for everyone who is menstruating and having sex and not ready to get pregnant, not ready for baby. It's also for anyone who can impregnate. For instance, a guy that has reached puberty can impregnate. So a guy can use a family planning too, regardless of the age. So far he has entered puberty, he can use family planning. If a girl is menstruating and having sex, yes, she needs family planning to prevent an unwanted pregnancy. But abstinence is the best for such tender age. Here is to answer this question that I got from Mrs. Scriber. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.